Okay guys, welcome to part 6. I hope you are enjoying these episodes. Anyway, let me show you what's going on. So right now we've got the foundation finished for the wall. So we're just putting the posts in, the main posts, and we're doing the roof. So that's the team leader for the roof. So now what they're doing, they're cutting down the height for the slope for the Labian roof, for the solar panels. We've got the right slope going on. Put them a little bit too high. We've got a new septic tank put in today. Picked up a new DOS tank, 1,600 litres. I think that's a 1,400, this one's a 1,600. And Tom and Pi are busy cleaning up my splashes from the excavator.
Cleaning up Brian's net.
Really? Yeah. When they're digging out, it was a bit too muddy. Dropped it, and splashed the wall, so keeps them busy. Keeps them out of mischief. I've just put the drone up, I'll show you a bit of that. So anyway, what Tom's done, he's done walk-in, shower room, toilet, walkway, bedroom 3, gymnasium, hallway, pantry, living area, bedroom 2, bedroom 1, and walk-in closet. Everything's marked out properly, so you've got a good visualization. Same with the bathroom for the master bedroom. So we've had a lot of steel delivered. So now it's because it's 5:20, so everyone's cleaning up now. I know he took a bit too much out of there. So we've got the blocks ready for the block team coming. Yeah, all come together. So basically when the front wall's done and that, and we've got all the soil put in, then we'll actually put another beam across there and then run for the gate runner in down there for the 4-metre gate, because the slopes up down, because the height of the dirt comes just below the foundation there. So obviously we're fighting the rain the last few days. Just forecast for rain today as well. I'm not that worried now. So what they've done here, I don't know if you can see, they've got the 4 lines in. So use the plumb line in, mark everything up, and then off the string there. So once we get the block in, then we'll fill that with concrete. Same on that one. And the same on the 2 down there. They're the only ones that we use the block work for is for the bigger posts. But the rest all concrete forms. So we've got to wait a couple of days for the forms to come. Same again. Got the puppet strings up. And the posts here, that's all ready for tomorrow. And we've got this in. So we've got trace out here because they tie in, then we'll bend them down for putting the stairs here. There's like a step apart, like a landing part, and then steps down, 3 steps to that, and then that runs up to the house. So a lot of concrete involved in doing this boundary wall. few more as we're progressing. Okay, here we are a few days later. We've had about 3 days off because of the rain. We basically had to dig a trench in to get rid of the water from the road. I'm just going to alleviate the water, because we were pumping it out, but it was taking too long. It was taking half a day to pump it out. So we're going to connect into that box there and run the pipe all the way over there to alleviate the water off the road. So every time it rains, don't have to keep running to get the pump turned on. It'll dissipate as it rains. So the guys coming this morning, but it was raining still. I had to wait till the rain stopped. Now they're working on the purlins, because on Friday the roof comes. Anyway, so it's going to be fun. So anyway, we've got the main pillars up for the driveway and the pathway. This is the worst part of working in the rainy season. Site access. So what did they say? We can get too late.
The truck gonna out about 8 o'clock tomorrow, yeah. Out from the day shop. If he gonna find out if can or not for the 20
Add 20 more lengths on.
Yeah. If can, but it cannot, we gonna buy
Local
shop.
Yeah, okay.
Because if buy local, so it'll be okay, because they need still for to work.
Right, I can get from Global anywhere. You should be able to get it from Global. Right, okay. I'll just have to put the thing on the back of the truck to get the steel.
In the local shop where we buy the bearing.
I'm not too sure they'll have it in stock. It might be way too pricey. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah, so we've got more steel come from Pechabun, because the shop that we deal with, they don't have enough in stock. So we have to wait a few days. So that's the other reason why the guys are, not just because of the rain, but we're waiting on more steel coming. But the roof with the PU 1-inch foam, that'll be here on Friday. It'll be great to see that go up. Anyway, I'll show you more as we go on. Okay, so now you can see they're just about done when you've got this part to do today. And then the PU roof system comes tomorrow, which is Friday. They've done an amazing job. So I need to get the bobcat out of the way if I can. The ground is so wet. So let's see if we can get the bobcat moved. These are the fascia boards that we're using, 23 centimetre. Right. Septic tanks are okay. Yep. Not there we had. Remove the bobcat. How to put this on slip on. Okay. Climbing in. Okay, so now I've got the camera on the roof of the cab. This is where it can actually get stuck. well. Yeah, definitely stuck. Yeah, I definitely got stuck. The ground's way too wet. Basically, I just wanted to get away from where the guys are doing the roof. But I can pull it out with the excavator. It's bad. They're great machines, but they're not good in the wet. You can see all that dirt there, it's just sunk in. Alright, so we're just getting the steel in for the lobbying. Well, the wall chain's supposed to be back today. Let's hope they turn up. Regardless of the rain, I mean it doesn't rain all day. And still get on with some of the work, get on with the posts. And I'll put the drone up and show you what it's like from up there. Okay guys, I'll call it the end of this part, so I'll see you on part 7. Bye for now.